Hi, I'm Dimich, Louvet, and my question was like, how much does music like affect an athlete's performance? So I thought that like music like would, greatly influence like your performance. So what I did is I tested 5 male subjects and 5 female subjects on a stationary bike, and I tested 3 things. So the distance they cover, their peak RPM, so revolutions per minute, and their average RPM. So what I did is I had them warm up for 1 minute, and then I had them go as fast as they could for 1 minute without listening to any music. Then I had them get off the bike, get a drink of water, and then I had them get back on the bike, do warm up for 1 minute, and then the final minute was going as fast as you could, but this time listening to like your favorite song. So it went from Happy to Thrift Shop to Stir Me Up for some of the older generations. And so what I found, like, surprisingly, the girls had the big music influenced the girls the most. For example, they went 36 meters further while listening to music than not listening to music, whereas the boys only went about 28.2. And then their difference in peak RPM was about 19, whereas the guys was only about 4.6. So that was also kind of interesting. And the final category was the difference in the average RPM was about 13.6 for the girls while listening to music as opposed to not listening to music, where the guys was only about 2.6. Another interesting thing that I saw was like the better the athlete, the more like music influenced their performance. So maybe because they're not as used to like listening to music, so it just kind of changed it up for them. But yeah, to answer my question, I mean, music does influence your performance a little bit, because it, distracts from the pain or boredom. A lot of, most people you see at the gym, have their headphones in, they're not just listening to the sound of the treadmill. But it didn't influence as much as I would have thought. So, yeah, thank you.